(2018) plate BMW 530i M Sport Touring. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have LED headlights as well as black kidney girls, M Sport standing kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions and rear diffuser. We also have black roof bars, shark fin antenna, black window trim, as well as privacy glass, front and rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera. We also have dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser, power assisted rear tailgate. You can see the rear camera just there. With a nice spacious size boot with 12-volt connectivity. We also have the buttons to fold the rear seats down. It's also power assisted back down again. Now, this being a touring, we have the split fold tailgate. As you can see, the rear window raises up. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. There's a look at the alloy wheel. Going to the rear of the car, we have full leather seats throughout, vice fixed points, pull down leather armrest with 2 nice size cup holders. We also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat. We also have 12-volt connectivity, which is down there as well. On the windows, we do have blinds to keep that sun out. Over rear window as well. If we go to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full leather seat, which is also heated, electric and memory. And the memory function is just there as well. We have electric windows with electric power folding mirrors, with BMW individual trim with ambient lighting just underneath. Jumping inside the car, we have auto lights just down there. Foot on the brake, we have keyless start. Now we have multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. Paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. Now, this vehicle has done just over 34,500 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. The dashboard, depending on what driving mode you put it in, does change. So we have Eco Pro, Comfort, then when you put it in Sport, it goes red. We have the drive modes on centre as well. We have Sport, Comfort, and then we have Eco Pro as well. Now we have satellite navigation, as well as media connectivity. We have DAB radio, scroll across, we have FM, AM, music collection, and also CD, DVD, as well as Bluetooth. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. We have phone connectivity as well. Then we have the menu as well, where you can choose what setting you're going to put on. Down here we have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as well. The 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, it does make all the difference. Again, we have the BMW individual trim down there. Push that forward, we have storage, as well as 12-volt connectivity, USB connectivity, and 2 nice size cup holders. Push that again, and it'll close. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. So if you put it into navigation, pop it into map, that's also a touchpad, so you can zoom in and out by just doing that with your fingers. You can turn traction control on and off, driver mode select, parking sensors on and off, electric handbrake with auto hold, soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather seat, which is very comfortable. We also get extended thigh support as well. The screen is also touchscreen as well. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT. We do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 530i M Sport Touring. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also talk through some of the vehicle's functions, starting with cruise control. Simply press the cruise control button and we're now cruising at 62 miles an hour. I can then adjust this in increments of 1 or 5 by using this switch just here. We've then got our paddle shifters, which I'm currently in 7th gear, down into 6th, down into 5th, back up to 6th, 7th, and now 8th. As you can see from my body movements and the surroundings outside, there's no jerky movements and a completely seamless transitions, just as you would expect. Now, I'm just slowing down for this roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn. We're in a bit of traffic at the moment. It just gives us more time to talk about this vehicle. So we've got our navigation just here, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, USB, everything you could come to desire when you're wanting to listen to music or navigate. We've then got these incredibly comfortable electric heated memory seats. So they are heated for both front passengers, and you do have memory settings. So you can adjust them very easily at the side of you just here, as you can see just there. And then you can assign your favorite position to a certain number. We've got 1 or 2, so you and your partner or whoever you share the vehicle with can have different profiles. Again, in terms of comfort, we've got the steering wheel, which we can adjust out like so with this switch just here. Just take this left turn. So yeah, really incredibly easy to maneuver both the seats and the steering wheel. Now, at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the past 3 to 4 years, as well as next day nationwide free deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge effect on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. We have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless, which means we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself. This is to ensure both your own safety and ours. Now, we are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, and many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you recommend us to your friends, recommend us to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. You can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, I'm just going to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and demonstrate that the reverse works as it should. So I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, incredibly sharp brakes. Put the vehicle into reverse. We've got the visual display for both front and rear, as well as the reversing camera just there. All works exactly as it should. Now, as you may have noticed, throughout this whole journey, there's been no knocks, no bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out to on a real test drive. So this is where you'd usually be extremely happy with a vehicle. You'd want to come into the office and see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, do get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around, or this driving test, then do get in touch and one of us would be more than happy to do a FaceTime call with yourself, walk around the vehicle, answer any specific questions, show you any specific components, and really just show you what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.